I'm Dr. Todd Lazon from Lifestyle Integration, and I've been doing nutritional balancing and using hair tissue mineral analysis for many years at this point. And one might imagine that I get asked repetitive questions quite often. And one of those questions that I get asked recurrently is, what's a normal oxidation rate? We're always hearing about fast oxidation, slow oxidation, mixed oxidation. I have my patients coming to me quite often saying, what is a normal or a balanced oxidation rate? And that's the question we're going to look at today. Now, for those of you who aren't familiar with what an oxidation rate is, a quick review is in order. And an oxidation rate is essentially the ability to take the food that you eat and convert that to energy. And that's a long, complicated process that involves things that you might remember back from high school, like the Krebs cycle and the glycolysis cycle and the electron transport chain. But it's essentially taking food and creating energy, or ATP. And that process can be normal, balanced, or it can be fast, or it can be slow. And an important point to remember is that often this will fluctuate as our lifestyles and day-to-day stresses vary. So with that being said, what exactly is a normal or a balanced oxidation rate? To determine this, we simply need to look at a hair tissue mineral analysis graph, which you can see here. And the part that we're really interested in is at the bottom, in the significant mineral ratios. And the two that we're really interested in there are the calcium to potassium, or the Ca to K, and the sodium to magnesium, or the Na to Mg. And for slow oxidation, what you'll see is that the calcium to potassium ratio has gone high. And you can see that over here, where the bubbles have gone off the end of the graph, representing a slow oxidation rate. And concurrently, when you see the sodium to magnesium ratio being low, that is the other half of this oxidation rate. So what you're looking at here is a slow oxidation rate. Fast oxidation is the reverse, where you're going to see that the calcium to potassium ratio is low and the sodium to magnesium ratio is high. Now, with all that being said, what is a balanced or normal oxidation rate? And it is so simple that it's quite fascinating, actually. The balanced oxidation rate is when you see these bubbles for calcium, potassium, and sodium to magnesium being in the middle. So you'll see over here that there is a low line and there is a high line. If your bubbles are in between the low and the high, then you are in a balanced or normal oxidation rate. It's that simple. No matter where you are in the world, if you're looking for someone to help you with your health, we can help you. For more information about nutritional balancing and how we work, please see the link below where you can go visit our website and sign up for our newsletter. Or if you're interested in more videos along this line, click some of the links that you can see here on my left, or click the link for our YouTube channel up there to subscribe. I hope this has been of value to you, and until next time, keep well.